Hi, my name is Victor Lim, and I'm the former president of the United Chinese Society of Hawaii. Our society was formed in 1884, and this building was built in 1953. And our role is to support the 100 plus different societies and associations out there. And really, many of these smaller organizations do not have their own building space and things like that. So our facility provides them a space where they can come and meet, do different activities, combined with a lot of different other societies or along with us. And our role really is to really provide moral support, physical support, any which way we can to better the community here in Hawaii. Many years ago, we really took advantage of the Energy Advantage program that Hawaii Energy offer, because for my businesses, my restaurants, we have the LED conversion programs and things like that. So we do recognize the fact that, my utility bills come down a lot. So our society is typical nonprofit. When the opportunity comes, we apply for ability to convert our building to LED lights. And that was about 3-4 years ago, and that definitely gave us a first leg up. It's brighter now, all the light fixtures work, and our bills are significantly lower than what we were doing before. Seven months ago, when this Empower Energy program came into light, we definitely should try and apply for it. Our ACs in our building, especially in our meeting halls, must be at least 40, 50 years old, caked with rubbish and loud and not very cool, So I figured that's an opportunity for us. It was very good. Service provider that I used was somebody that was helping with my business. I said, hey, I want to apply for this. Give me a proposal how we can do this. People on the Hawaii Energy staff, like Lily, was really outstanding and said that, hey, these particular units do not meet, but comparable units, if you go to this particular brand, will allow you to meet the standards that we're looking for. And so we shift gears. We did that, and by the end of December, we finally got it installed. With all the changes in technology and stuff like that, you're crazy if you don't try and take advantage of it, because your 40-year-old equipment, it's time for you to replace that. Today's equipment are more efficient in energy usage. It's more compact and works much better. So what I can see from my rooms, the hall that we just replaced the ACs, it's so much quieter and it's cool and comfortable. So this is the bottom line. And the incentive programs, you guys really allow us to really reduce the cost of converting. And so to me, that's why I'm a firm believer in Hawaii Energy.